How to create a new account on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign into a new TikTok account. First thing you have to do is open up your TikTok application. And once you open up the app, all you need to do here is go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Or if you have a fresh TikTok, you will be directed to the sign in page directly. Once you head over to the profile icon, you can tap on a profile name or the drop-down menu. Once you get here, you'll find the Add Account button, so go ahead and tap on it. And here you'll get to the sign up page. You can either sign up using your phone number or your email. So if you want to continue with email, tap on Continue with Email. Now you're just going to have to provide your email address, tap on Continue. And if you haven't registered with the account yet, they will send you a code on your account on your email. You just have to verify that code, tap on continue, and you are already on the last step. So you're just going to have to log into your TikTok using that exact email and you'll be good to go. So that's how you basically create a new TikTok account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.